So what you're seeing here is the Suzuki equivalent to the Z1000SX, and whatever this is, 152 PS. Don't know why Suzuki just don't do brake horsepower, because that's what most of us understand. It's maybe 142 horsepower. Inline four, so plenty of torque. Very compact, very slick bearings. Interesting swing arm, quite long. Electronic dashboard, switch gear, and that's your controls for the onboard computer. Changes there. Very soft, but good tactile feel. The switch here, same here as well. Cruise control, very useful in a sport tourer. But the looks, it's tricky for Luke Cries. The looks are not as elegant, as beautiful, stunning, as gorgeous as Kawasaki. If you like Suzuki's, maybe you like these looks. It's a difficult one. Black is a very dull colour, but then you do have a red over there. Red is more colourful. Yeah, GSX-S1000GT.